Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore some essential American English expressions related to driving. Knowing these expressions will boost your confidence when communicating about driving. Let's go! Please listen to Mr. Joan.
First and foremost, before hitting the road, I fasten my seatbelt. In American English, we say buckle up. It's a crucial rule in the United States. I adjust the rear view mirror. This ensures good visibility around the car. To start the car, I turn the ignition or turn the key if my car uses a key. If the car has keyless technology, I press the start button. I put the car in drive D if my car is automatic. If I'm driving a manual car, I shift into first gear after pressing the clutch. While driving, I can turn the wheel left or I turn the wheel right to indicate changes in direction. I don't forget to use the turn signals to communicate intentions to other drivers. I check the mirrors to review traffic behind me. In American English, we say check blind spots. In low visibility conditions, I turn on the headlights. I use the windshield wipers to see clearly in rainy or snowy weather. In case of an emergency, I activate the hazard lights to alert other drivers.
Other expressions you can use.
I got my driver's license at the age of 18. I'm backing up. The truck is speeding. You must obey the traffic rules. If I run a red light, I might get a ticket. I received a fine for running a red light. I handed the police officer my ID, the registration, and the insurance papers. I'm stuck in traffic. I fill up the tank. I need a tow truck. My car has broken down. I just had a car collision.
Native English speakers often use the informal term fender bender to describe a minor car accident. It's a casual expression that you might hear on the streets of the United States. Thank you for watching. We can't wait to share more amazing content with you. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated and be a part of our growing community.